Floods in the Sahara Desert after 50 years. More than a year's worth of rain fell in 2 days in southeastern Morocco, filling a lake that had been dry for decades. Lake Iriki, a lake bed between Zagora and Tata that has been dry for 50 years, is filling up. In addition to the formation of small lakes, dammed reservoirs in southeastern Morocco filled at recorded rates in September. Such rain, which meteorologists call an extratropical storm, could change weather patterns in the region in the coming months and years.